Hello everyone, today I am going to show 5 best electric bikes to buy in 2023. Through extensive research and testing, I have put together a list of options that will meet needs of different types of buyers, so whether it's price, performance or particular use, we've got you covered. For more information, I have put links of products in the description and like the video, comment, don't forget to subscribe, and let's get started.
You don't have sad days on an e-mountain bike. You go out, you feel happy. You skip the hard part and just have the fun part.
And my happy place is on a bike. That's quite easy.
Hey, we're Focus Bikes and we're in the beautiful Black Forest today in Sassbach-Walden and shredding our new EMTBs. New Champ Squad 7 series, which comes with the Shimano engine, 720 watt-hour battery, quite good suspension and fork setup, I must say.
I'll be coming up hot for a minute. Everybody know the drop when I'm in it. I drop the top when I'm in it. Everybody know the drop when I'm in it. Yeah, I go so yo. Everybody know I'm You know when they click through to the send this about to be a so big fun. I'll be coming up hot for a